No, I don't think so.
We don't have
WhatsApp. Yes, our WhatsApp is if you check our Leah Screen bio, our WhatsApp number is there.
Yes.
Yes. Wow, this radio. And do you have the link to the new page? Oh yes, please. It's on
Leah Screen now. We put
it's on our
community.
On our community. I just posted a link. Yes, for the Leah Kitchen.
Yeah.
I just posted the page, and we posted on our community WhatsApp page or group. It's our other channel. Just on YouTube, type at Leah Kitchen. The Leah, LEAHKITCHEN. So that is it. It's we just have about 14 subscribers. It's a new channel. So we'll be building that one up. We'll be building that one. Manuela is still sleeping. This and she has woke up before. She now slept back again. Wow, this rain, like as it's raining now, we couldn't do much video today. You can see we couldn't do much. It's still raining. So the grounds are wet. So we couldn't do video. We'll postpone our videos to like tomorrow. We'll postpone our videos like tomorrow so that hopefully there will be no rain tomorrow. We'll be able to get some videos to Leah Kitchen. So beautiful people, we want to appreciate all of you, and we are very close to 50,000 subscribers.
Thank you.
Wow, you guys are the best. Yes. Because without you guys, you give us more courage to work, to do more. Okay, because thank you so much. Thank you so much. Because is Leah the kitchen? Yeah, just Leah Kitchen only. Leah Kitchen. There is no S after the H. Leah. Just Leah. Our photo.
My photo is.
Yeah, our handle is at Leah Kitchen, not Leah's Kitchen. Just Leah Kitchen. Like Leah Screen. So instead of screen, it's kitchen. So Leah Kitchen. If you go to our community, yes, that is it. That is the Leah Kitchen. You see, it's just a new channel, like 14 subscribers there. So we are just growing little by little. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Wow. I think what video would they love us to see? Like
to do more.
Yes. Oh, thank you so much. It is God's will, because it's just like we are just 3 years old.
3 years.
3 years. Yes. Today is 24. Yeah, just like 3 days ago. I just realized that was by today. I just saw it's our birthday channel for 3 years. Wow.
3 years.
The growth was very, though it's lovely. A lot of challenges, I would say, because a lot of challenges, like you see when we went to Nigeria, there's a lot of content we are supposed to do, but a lot of restriction, challenges, like that. Then the kids too are there. Like that, Idumota, I was really ready I was prepared, but we got there. Yes, so thank you so much. That was like 3 days ago. We were just 3 years old. Thank you so much. So we promise to be back. Can we write? I can't write something here.